Hello, dear learners. Today we are on the sixth lecture of the chapter Atoms and Molecules. Today also we are going to go with very interesting topic. Today we will be learning how to write the molecular masses. Sorry, I should say how to calculate the molecular masses or the formula unit masses. Before that, I am going to discuss the NCERT question answers of page number 39. So these two questions are simple one. Actually, first question has been done by us already in the previous lectures, so I haven't repeated it. So question number 2 is you are going to name the compounds of the following formula. So what is this? Aluminium sulfate. So you will be writing aluminium sulfate. Fine. Next, just see calcium chloride. So your formula is calcium chloride. Okay. Then potassium sulfate. This is potassium sulfate. Then potassium nitrate. So fourth one is potassium nitrate. Okay. Last is calcium carbonate. I hope this is okay to you. All these formulas you can write very easily. Now question number 4. Question number I have told earlier also. Question number 1 and question number 3 we have done already. Actually question number 3 is the definition of chemical formula. So we have discussed in the previous lecture symbolic representation of the particular elements which are present in a compound that will be giving you the chemical formula. Fine. So how many atoms are present in? Here we have to write their atomicity. See, hydrogen 2, sulfur 1, total 3. I hope it is okay to you. Hydrogen 2, sulfur 1, that is 3. Phosphorus 1, oxygen 4, total 5. Phosphorus 1, oxygen 4, total 5. That's it. Very simple. Now comes our next lecture, and that also very important. What is molecular mass? Molecular mass of a substance is what? It is sum of, addition of atomic masses of what? All the atoms which are present in a molecule. एक मॉलिक्यूल में जितने भी एटम्स प्रेजेंट हैं उनका mass, that is molecular mass. How to calculate this I am going to discuss today. Fine. And it is going to be expressed in atomic mass unit, that is U. Same is the case for formula unit mass. Formula unit mass is the mass of the particular formula of a given compound. See, formula unit mass of a substance is sum of what? All the atomic masses. Which atomic masses? Of all the atoms. Atoms कहाँ present है? In a particular formula unit of a compound. Simple. How? The things will be more clear when I will be taking examples. Fine. Just see. I told to learn the atomic masses. Now, so these atomic masses we are going to use here. Okay. Hydrogen. Atomic mass for hydrogen is, see, this is given H2. Atomic mass of 1, I am writing this way. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. Okay. So atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. How many hydrogens are there? 2. So what will be our molecular mass? 2U. Simple. Okay. Now oxygen. Atomic mass, I am writing in the short way. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So 16 multiplied by how many oxygen? 2. So it will be 32U. Simple. Chlorine. Atomic mass of chlorine is equal to 35.5U. So how many chlorine? 35.5 multiplied by 2. 35 2s are 70 plus half, so it will come 71 U. I hope you are getting. These are very simple things. Now I am writing simple way in the easiest form. Just see, atomic mass of carbon is 12 plus, next is oxygen, atomic mass of oxygen, it is 16. How many oxygen? Multiplied by 2. This is for oxygen and this is for carbon. Okay, when you are going to multiply and solve it, 16 2s are 32, 2 2s are 2 plus 2 4, 3 plus 1 4, so 44 U. I hope you are getting all these things ना. These are really very simple. जिसे कुछ नहीं आता उसे molecular mass तो 9th class में calculate करना आता ही है. So don't worry, and these questions are surely there in the exam. Sure. So methane. This is what? This is methane. CH4, fine. So carbon, atomic mass for carbon is 12. Atomic mass for hydrogen is 1. How many hydrogen? 4. So this is for carbon, this is for hydrogen. What will be your answer? 12 plus 4 is equal to 16U. Very simple, not a big deal to be solved, na? So I hope you are getting. Just see next, formula unit mass. How you are going to calculate formula unit mass? Same criteria is there, no difference is there, same things you are going to follow in this. Fine. So firstly, what he has given in this question, just see, he has given in this question, calculate the formula unit mass of zinc oxide, then comes sodium oxide, then comes potassium carbonate. Okay, let's start with zinc oxide. So all these masses, see, oxygen you are knowing, but you might not be knowing the atomic mass for zinc. These will be given. See, this is 65U. Okay, atomic mass for zinc is 65. Oxygen you are knowing 16. You are going to learn only the particular ones, not all. And if he is going to ask you the particular, like zinc he has asked or potassium he has asked, he will be giving you the molecular masses. In exams they will come. Then comes sodium. Atomic mass for sodium is 23. Oxygen we are knowing, it is 16. Then atomic mass for potassium is 39. For carbon it is 12, and for oxygen it is 16. So let us start. Zinc is 65 plus oxygen is 16. This is zinc, this is oxygen. Okay, when you are going to add them, 6 plus 5 11, 1, 6 7 8 81. I hope you are knowing how to add. This is not the big deal to be solved. Then sodium 23. How many sodium? 2 plus oxygen, it is 16. So 23 into, this is for sodium. Firstly we should write so that you should not get confused when you are going to revise. Then oxygen is 16. Let us see. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4 plus 16. When you are going to solve, 6 plus 6 12. Okay, 4 5 and 6. That is 62U. Last part of today, potassium. Potassium is 39. How many potassium? 2. This is potassium. Plus carbon is 16. Plus oxygen is, carbon I used to write 16 by mistake, it is 12. Please ignore it by mistake. This is the slip of language only. So carbon is 12, oxygen is 16 multiplied by 3. And when you are going to solve, let us see, 9 2s are 18. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. Okay, plus 12. 16 threes are 6 threes are 18. 4, 48. Okay, and when you are going to solve, then 8 8 are 16. 16 plus 2, 18. Fine. 4 plus 1, 5. 6 6 6 12 plus 1 30. I hope by solving all these examples, the idea has been clarified by you people. So stay blessed. God bless you. Thank you.